Restoring the past, to me, it's more than just a passion, it's a journey to perfection. Whether it's a car that's been cherished for decades or a smile that's been hidden for years, the art of the restoration process is in the details. Function follows form, that's the motto that I always follow. Just as two smiles are never the same, either are two vehicles identical. Every car has a different story to tell, and so does every smile. In the heart of Arizona, where the desert meets the sky, we drive forward, breathing new life into what we once thought was lost. A smile is unique to every individual. It's crafted with precision and care and individuality to meet that personality, to meet that aesthetic. No smile can be replicated, just like no car can be restored the same way. Bringing back that which time has taken away, with every smile we restore, we rebuild confidence, one smile at a time. One of the parts that's the most rewarding about any type of restoration is to uncover or to bring back what's already there. People often find that their smile has always been in them, but they've been holding back. And as we restore that natural beauty, that person's personality shines again, just like a vehicle will shine. Every process begins with a vision, just as every restoration ends with a smile. One of the reasons, rather, that I find the parallels between smiles and cars is not just my own personal passion, but when I drive these restored vehicles, every time I go out in one of them, they elicit smiles. I get thumbs up, and it makes it fun.